Pagumbong matawhay palino. Damong bilong-bilong.
I really like the gown. Who made this?
Kana,
Who made the gown?
Lester Alicraze Soleto.
Alright, awesome. Right, so now kindly pick your hashtag.
Okay, PIC to validate that you have chosen the correct hashtag. Drugs. Okay, Miss Pagumbong, drugs.
Thank you. Drug is
A drug is anything being intake or a medicine or anything basta maka-bully or transform or enhance or makabuhi sa ginabatya or whatever. Okay? Okay, continue.
drug. This is not good or mental health. So as a part of the LGBTQIA+ community, we need to aware ourselves for this drug so that we need to mental health ourselves to these drugs. Thank you.
Okay, ang namin mo, we don't need to overdose in taking drugs because it could endanger our body and our mental health. Okay, thank you, Miss Pagumbong. Matawag pa yun, no? Miss...
Let's have Miss Puma.
Oh, she looks familiar. Afisa Manalo. She looks very stunning. She looks Italiana, half Ita, half Ilocana. Just kidding. Okay, pick your hashtag. Miss Buka? Buka siya, buka. O buka ka na. Okay. Hashtag sex education.
Ladies and gentlemen, hashtag sex education. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is very important to us having sex education. It is because for the youth nowadays, there are so many millennials having pregnant. It is because of lack of education. We need to make a solution that our country will become a progressive, and that's the qualities that we possess. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Miss Buka. Okay, para mapuminan ko ng population, kailangan ma-educate natin ang millennials or young people. Okay. Sex education, manhood, San 7 education. Next, we have Miss Gintas. Okay. Okay, Gintas. Napapayaan mo sa likod ng chismis, and today is your birthday. Am I correct? Okay. Sigurado birthday. Ka-birthday din man ang mga paka, wala joke. Okay, your hashtag Miss Gintas, happy birthday. Thank you, sir. Hashtag freedom.
Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a part of LGBTQIA+ community who've been discriminated, at a young age, I've experienced discrimination, challenges, setbacks, and circumstances in my life. I am afraid to come out of my shell at the age of 10 because I know that if everyone will find out that I am a gay, they will discriminate me. So that day is standing here tonight. I am here tonight standing in front of you to show what we are, to show what we have talent, and we have talents. As a gay, we need to have a freedom, so at least all people that surround us just give love, respect, and acceptance. Thank you so much.
Yes, you have freedom and we have freedom grandstand. Okay, thank you, Miss Gintas. Happy birthday again. Okay, next, Miss Ipo. Tyla Strong. Oh, yung tatay yan, ano, nanay yan, chihuahua. Okay, Tyla, mo sa pageant. This is her first time at the age of 82. Picture hashtag Miss
Parang siya
Bo.
closer actually because she's in love.
Okay. May bana. Atin ang puro nga oh. This is me. Hashtag this is me.
Being LGBT, I'm so proud of being who I am. That's all I'm saying.
Oh! So, this is really proud of who I am. Tylas Romico! Next in line. Ilaya, are you okay? Among the contestants, ikaw lang nakita ko sa likod na wala sa assistant. Meaning you do your own makeup about Miss Universe. Okay, pick yung hashtag. Okay, hashtag depression. Depression.
Hashtag depression. Being raised by a single mom and losing her, I experienced this kind of situation. Sa nadula si mama ko, kamugamo kami na magululutod niya, ginapangagyan na walang ginabalaan. And this kind of experience, super na-depressed kami, wala kami kanon, kaya nagdungan pag ibang pandemic. That is one of the example of depression na may nabatsagan ko pag sobra kasakit sa amon na magululutod. Madami ko salamat.
Okay, so na-depressed din si Ilaya. So kung depressed ka, dito ka dumaan para lantod ka na lang. Okay, thank you Miss Ilaya Poblacion. Thank you. Why sila kulungan mo? Hindi mo kasi okay, next in line is hello. Lady in pink. Miss hello, is this your first time also? Oh, enjoy the process. Pick your hashtag. Hashtag mental health.
Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, mental health is having a mental disorder or being a personality. It's not easy, especially to those family and this kind of patients. Some reason depression is too much messageable. That's all taken.
Yes, mental health, pakaisa sa mental hospital. Okay. Next, we have Miss Sitio Balagon Halaw. Aduwa sila galing sa Halaw, pero isa, Sitio. I love the color. Is this purple or indigo? Wala naman na purple. Melan! Ano kung baan ka? Wala kang nakaswang sa likod? Tulong ka lang ng espiyo para makulbahan ka ulit. Okay. Relax. Please tell me if you want Japanese or Chinese. Ano namin interpreter? Because Melai worked in China for 7 years. Kaya nag-eskwela sa Japan for 3 years. Rainbow. Melai. Hindi ko katulungin ba naman? Ang close naman. Rainbow Melai. Rainbow. Okay, rainbow. Have you seen a rainbow? Ang rainbow nag-appear Melai if the spectrum of lights from the sun mabounce siya sa mga droplets ng rain or mga tubig HIV/AIDS. Okay.
Destiny is not a matter of a chance, but it's a matter of a choice. HIV is a human immunodeficiency viruses which lead to death. If I'm in a situation, I will call my friend, family member, or healthcare provider. I will join a support group who are in the same situation, such as volunteering at an HIV service organization. This is my empowerment and lesson of my feeling of care. And we are aware of discrimination being based on the LGBT community. One is depriving them with direct access on medical or health facilities because of their sexual orientation. The lack of medication to continue the increase of the HIV positive person. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Laguman. Marami ka rin ng patong na naman. Thank you, Miss Laguman. Ang HIV is a... Karamihan nyo kay Miss Lana. Sabi si Julia Roberts, no? Cindy Crawford. Ano yung bibigit ako? Okay, come closer to the mic. Daw inside mata. Sochi Bill.
Benefits about this, Sochi bill is a bill, not a law. If LGBT support this bill, it's become a law. We can benefit this because we are accepted by the community. We are belong, we are accepted, we are understood by the society. Thank you.
Ang bill ko is a bill in the law. Thank you, Miss Lana. Next, Miss Monpon. Kasi kung tayo may talent pa. Miss Monpon, are you okay? Gusto mo remember ko sa advocacy, you are a father, right? Not a mother? Okay. How many children do you have? One child. Okay, pick your hashtag. Hashtag LGBT ice cream. LGBT hate crimes.
The word that I take is LGBTQ. We have to know the fact that as an LGBT member, we are first victim of discrimination right in our society. Our action as society are limited. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to educate people that being part of LGBT community is a natural part of diversity. We are also human beings. A human being that wanted to be loved, wanted to be accepted, wanted to be respected. We need to respect, understand everyone. Respect every individual by their culture, tradition, belief, most especially their gender. And understand everyone's backgrounds because we are not living in one shoe. Thank you so much for believing me.
Okay, I understand you. Okay. Thank you, Miss Monpon. Next we have Miss Palasyawan.
Give supporters of Miss Kalasyawan.
Miss Palasyawan, is this your first time also? Okay, enjoy it. And the process, pick your hashtag. Yung magpakulba ay ang ilagan sa tungan. LGBT and religion. LGBT and religion.
Good evening, everyone. Every element in life has its unique qualities and contribution. Whether it's a person, an object, or experience, each plays vital role and teaches us valuable lessons. Embracing diversity and understanding the importance of different perspectives helps us to appreciate the richness and complexity of our world. That will be all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Lanas. Okay. Miss Palasyawan, sorry. Next, we have Palasyawan proper. Ang sabihin mo na, it is debatable versus the evolution and the biorestoration. But who cares, diba? Importante our faith from. We don't care. Miss Palasyawan proper. Is Palasyawan proper na yung sa isang Palasyawan? Or isa lang yung Palasyawan? Layo sila, dito sila sa punta, sa may suba. Okay. Okay, hashtag cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying is being used technology or electronics. When people are posted in social media that discriminate in the way of social media. Cyberbullying is
Let's go back. Cyber is electronics or computer or whatever. How about bullying?
bullying is when other people who they bully as a member of LGBT member, some other people can bully by no reason. And I experienced that. I experienced in how to bully social media.
Okay. So, kung ginabully ka, regaluhan mo ka American bully. Ano? Okay. Next suon. Okay. Next suon. Ang mga paborito ko si Carla. Carla, please say thank you to Sir Mark. To Nessa. Nessa, are you around? Thank you. Give us a sponsorship. No, Sir Mark. Kay Paula Villanueva. So on. Is this your first time? Oh, why your hair is white? Ayun na. Hashtag, Carla, hashtag. Kulbaan ka, Carla? Kaya bibig mo, di ba kurog-kurog eh? Okay. Pride Month. Pride Month. Come close to mic. Come close.
Pride Month, when we say Pride Month, we celebrate July.
What we are celebrating tonight is one of the activities commemorating the Pride Month, correct? Continue, Carla. Are you proud to be a member of the Pride organization? Yes. Okay. So, di ba pa ba? So, are you happy to be a member of UGSAT Tamasak Pride? Okay, what is a Pride Month for you?
This is a month of a celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Carla. Pride Month is a month of celebration and a month of paglaba. Pride, detergent pa. May paligpit.
Now let's Miss Kapuso.
Miss Kabuksuba. Justin. Justin, are you happy tonight? This is your second time to join. Okay. Hashtag Justin. There's no harm in trying. Importante happy. Human rights. Human rights, Justin. Okay, tagalan si Justin mga 3 seconds or 5. Human rights. Is that important to you, Miss Ugsa?
Yes, of course. This is to uphold our dignity and morality. So, kapag sa atin yung human.
Human rights, not human left. Okay, Justin, go back to you. Okay, human rights. Okay, tagalan si Justin Chan. Sa translate, sa Tagalog, anong human rights? Toong nga ano? Karapatan. Karapatan pang-tao at pang-hayop. Ano? Karapatan pang-tao. Or sa Binisaya, ang imo nga karapatan. Ano sa Binisaya? Human rights. Basta karapatan pang-tao.
Bilang isa ka, may karapatan kami sa amin na kaugaling manindugan sa amin magbilang isa ka pagka-LGBT.
Okay, bilang isa ka member sa LGBT, may karapatan kang manindog ng LGBT ikaw. O why? the flag of the pride.
Thank you so much, Sir Gilbert. Before I would like to watch, I would like to thank Sweeney Tuyato for this sponsoring tonight for the and also for the party. Okay, what is the use of the question if you don't have the answer? And what is the use of the answer if you don't have no question? So I need two questions. Pride, love. As a part of LGBTQIA+, yes, I am belong for that kind of love. I am right. We will not have any discriminations about me because I am not a beautiful. Excuses, that's not true. LGBTQIA+ flag is a one service that love because I believe I can fly. I can stir window in the sky.
Raising the roof kami sinunod. Raising the rainbow in the sky. Miss Talisay. Remarkable. Ano ang song na ni President Bongbong? Okay, hashtag Miss Talisay. Would you like to pick one? Miss Ito. Ikaw ang Santos. Homophobia. Okay, Talisay, your hashtag is homophobia.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think hashtag homophobia, for which I believe the homophobia it is the interaction between the men and women. And I'm really proud that I have experienced this kind of hashtag. And I'm really proud of also being who I am as a member of the LGBTQIA+ community, specifically here in Toronto, ever embracing diversity, uniqueness, acceptance, and this is what makes Barokaplan proud and loud. Thank you so much.
I don't know, we can go in Sanchez. Thank you, Miss Talisay. You make me happy today. Last, but definitely not the least, Miss Sotuman. Miss Sotuman, nag-intriga din ako. How young are you?
I'm 19 years old.
Tingnan ito babae ka ganyan. May Pokemon ka, wala. Wala pa. Ang patay ka pa. Okay, pick your hashtag. Kagwapa ka sa iya, no? Tao ka o munyeka. Your hashtag is LGBT and society.
LGBT in society.